Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Misbah Ahmed Shanto. My ID is 172352123. I am a student of Department of Software Engineering, Daffodil International University. Today I presented my project Citizen Certificate Portal. It was supervised by MD Sanjidul Islam sir, lecturer, Department of Software Engineering, Daffodil International University. So today I describe my project. That name is Citizen Certificate Portal. So what is Citizen Certificate Portal? Citizen Certificate Portal is a portal for to collect citizen certificate from public representative. We all the citizen of Bangladesh. We need citizen certificate for many reasons. So we need to go physically to public representative. I made this system online so that we need not to go to our public representative physically. We can collect it from online. So at first any user can view this citizen certificate portal. So this is my landing page or home page of user. So here I can see home, apply, notice, contact, about, and login. So basically this is the user home page. If I click on home page, it will stand here. So this is for notice. If we have any notice, we can see here. This interface is for user. Contact. We can send message to our public representative. About. This is the page about this site. So basically we need to apply. We can click apply button for apply citizen certificate to our public representative. So we have to fill this form. So I fill this form. I give my name Misbah Shanto. We need to input our mail. So this is the basically also apply page, and it will automatic register a user. So in here we give email. It will our email address. By this email we can log in this system for download the citizen certificate that was accepted by public representative.com. In here is I give my phone number. Here we need to input NID number and date of birth. Father's name, my mother's name, and now I have to select my division. My division is Rangpur, and then I need to select my district. My district is Gaibandha, and then I have to select my upazila. So I am lives in Gaibandha Shodor, so I select Gaibandha Shodor. Then I have to select union or Paurasabha. My union is Kholahati, so I select Kholahati. Then I need to select my ward number. So my ward number is 9, so I select 9. Then I need to give a password. This password is for the by this password I can log in this system in future. So that's basically also a apply page and also a registration page. When I apply, then it will automatic registered as a user. So I give a password 123. So now I am click on apply page. Here is apply successfully. So this is the system for apply. Now I can log in. This is the login page for a user who apply for a citizen certificate. So at first I give some invalid data. It's declined. So if I used invalid data, it will not log in. Now I give correct email.com. Now I will give correct email and password. So it is the user dashboard. Here user can see his apply list, total apply 1. uh, this is the application I applied. I can edit some data, my name, father's name, mother's name, my password. I cannot update all data. I can only update this data. So I can also delete this application. If I yes, then the application will be deleted. Download. After accepting my application by public representative, then I can download this application by downloading this button. So if I download this button, then I will able to download the certificate what was accepted by public representative. So that's all the user interface. Now I am talking about public representative interface. So basically public representative can log in by their username and password. If I give wrong password, what happened we can see, email invalid, so we cannot log in. Now I am give valid email and valid password. Valid after input valid email and password, I can see the public representative dashboard. Here I can see total visitor, total apply, total file, total contact, total about, and total notice. So here we can see visitor information. Which visitor visit this site, which time, date, and which IP address. Apply list. Here I can see apply list. Here is only one apply list. His first name, last name, email, phone number, NID, birth date, father name, and all the information. So here a public representative can edit this data, and if this data is valid, then he can accept this application by clicking this mark. if this application is wrong, then he can refuse it. I mean, he can delete this application easily. If we uh, click on yes, then the application will be deleted successfully. So here is the file document. Here he can upload his signature and details about uh, all of this file. Contact list, here he can see the messages by this user which was sent by user. A public representative can see these messages which was sent by user. This is the about page. He can edit or delete this about page. And notice board, public representative can update and delete any notice. So that's all about public representative. A admin, there was an admin. The admin can add public representative, because we know public representative can be changed after 5 years of election. So basically, a admin can add public representative and delete public representative. Now I show my database. So here is my database for user who apply. Here is the data, and this is the admin database. So now I showing this code. I use PHP Storm, Node.js, Laravel, and I used Jam server. So that's the code of admin. Here is the all code of admin, and this is the code of user. Here is the code of user, and here is the code of user after login. And those who registration, this is the code of the user though who registration. So basically that's my all about my project. So that's all about my project. My project is citizen certificate portal. Thank you for watching this project. Assalamu alaikum.